Prime Time 2. Module 3. 3A. Special Talents. Pupils Book, pages 44-45. Підручник, сторінка 44-45. Open your books, page word list 9. Write down new vocabulary. У підручнику знайдіть, будь ласка, сторіночку word list 9 і запишіть переклад до нових слів. A whole range – велике коло. Accurate – точний. Achieve – досягати. Ahead of their time – випередити свій час. Anatomy – анатомія. Based on – базується. Bridge – міст. Calculator – калькулятор. Canal system – система каналів. Century – століття. Consider – вважати. Construct – будувати. Curious – допитливий. Design – розробляти. Detailed – детальний. Engineer – інженер. Fascinating – захоплююче. Geologist – геолог. Human body – людське тіло. Include – включати. Incredible – дивовижний. Industry – промисловість. Intelligent – розумний. Invent – винаходити. Inventor – винахідник. Lifetime – життя. Machine – машина. Map – карта. Material – матеріал. Mirror – дзеркало. Paint – малювати. Parachute – парашут. Perfect proportions – відмінні пропорції. Philosopher – філософ. Plant – рослина. Sculptor – скульптор. Sketch – малювати. Sketch – малюнок. Study – вивчати. Survive – виживати. Talented – талановитий. Pupils Book, page 44. Підручник, сторінка 44. 3A. Special Talents. Розділ 3А. Особливі таланти. Vocabulary. Past activities. Слова. Види діяльності у минулому. Exercise 1. Label the pictures with the verbs. Listen and check, then say. Вправа 1. Впиши дієслова під малюнками. Послухай та перевір, а тоді скажи. Studied, designed, painted, invented, sketched. Вписуємо слова до виразів і перевіряємо себе.
3A. Special Talents. Exercise 1, page 44. 1,
Painted the Mona Lisa.
2,
Invented an early flying machine.
3,
Designed many machines.
4,
Sketched plants and animals.
5.
Studied the anatomy of the human body.
Exercise 2A. Leonardo da Vinci did all the things in exercise 1. What do you know about him? What else would you like to know? Write 4 questions. Listen and read the text to see if you can answer your questions. Вправа 2A. Леонардо да Вінчі робив усі ці речі, які зазначені у вправі 1. Що ти знаєш про нього? Що ще ти б хотів дізнатися? Напиши 4 запитання. Послухай та прочитай текст, щоб подивитися, чи ти можеш дати відповіді на свої запитання. Let's listen to the text. Давайте послухаємо текст.
Exercise 2A, page 44.
Is this the most talented person who ever lived? Leonardo da Vinci was born in a small village in Tuscany, Italy, on the 15th of April, 1452. He was very intelligent and curious, and learned lots of things by himself. In his lifetime, he achieved incredible things. So, is this man the most talented person ever? Read this, then you decide. The Painter. As a young man, Da Vinci studied painting in Florence. 2 of his paintings, the Mona Lisa, or La Gioconda, and The Last Supper, are among the most famous paintings of all time. Today, only about 15 of his finished paintings survive. He often didn't finish them because he was busy with other things. But most people consider him to be one of the greatest painters who ever lived. The Engineer. Da Vinci designed many working machines for war, industry, and transport. He sketched very accurate maps, and he also designed a brilliant canal system for Florence and a huge bridge. In 2001, architects constructed a bridge in Norway based on Da Vinci's design. You can see it there today. The Inventor. Da Vinci's notebooks contain detailed sketches for a whole range of inventions, which were centuries ahead of their time. These include a sort of helicopter, flying machines, a calculator, a parachute, and even robots. With today's technology and materials, many of Da Vinci's designs could work very well. The Scientist. Da Vinci studied plants, animals, and the human body, and made detailed drawings and notes about them. He used mirror writing, probably because he didn't want everyone to understand the notes. His sketch, Vitruvian Man, shows the perfect proportions of the human body. This is possibly the best-known drawing in the world. Da Vinci was also a sculptor, a musician, a mathematician, a philosopher, an architect, a writer, and a geologist. 5 centuries after his death, he is still one of the most fascinating people in history.
Exercise 2B. Read again and mark the sentences T, true, F, false, or DS, doesn't say. Вправа 2b. Прочитай знову та познач речення літерами T, якщо речення правдиве, F, якщо речення неправдиве, або літерами DS, якщо у тексті немає про це інформації. 1. Da Vinci learned most things from others. 2. There are hundreds of Da Vinci's paintings in museums all over the world. 3. He sketched maps of Europe. 4. There is a bridge in Norway that Da Vinci designed. 5. Da Vinci's flying machine looked like a modern airplane. 6. His notes were easy to understand. Do exercise 2b in your books, please. Вправу 2b виконуємо у підручнику. Exercise 3c. Tell the class 4 things you learned from the text. Вправа 2c. Розкажи класові, які 4 речі ти дізнався з тексту. Запиши, будь ласка, ці 4 речі у свій зошит. Письмово. D. Match the highlighted words to their meanings. Measurements, wanting to know more, smart, regard as, modeled after, thorough, succeeded in doing something, exact. Вправа 2D. З'єднай слова, які виділені у тексті жирним кольором, з їхніми значеннями. Measurements – вимірювання. Wanting to know more – хотіти знати більше. Smart – розумний. Regard as – вважається. Modeled after – змоделював після. Thorough – ретельно. Succeed in doing something – досягнути успіху у якійсь справі. Exact – точний. Запиши, будь ласка, вправу 2D у своєму зошиті таким чином. Слова, та вирази, які подані у вправі D, запиши у стовпчик, а через дефіс добери до них виділені у тексті слова.